Moisture is one of the leading causes of flooring failures and complaints, no matter the type of flooring or project. New construction, renovations, commercial, and residential projects are impacted by moisture. That's why it is important to consider a moisture vapor barrier on your projects. When deciding what kind of product to choose, you have to look for the high performance a professional contractor will require, but the ease of use of a DIY product. A solution that can save you time, labor, and solve your problems even without the need of going through expensive and time-consuming moisture testing procedures. A product that's ready to use and is suitable for all kinds of flooring and adhesive types, no matter if it's a mortar, a water-based acrylic, a polyurethane, an MS polymer, or even a more advanced technology, such as Bostik's Axios tri-linking polymer. Bostik's new innovation, Roll-Cote, is the most versatile high-performance moisture vapor barrier coating and primer ever. It is a ready-to-use, one-component and no mixing required product that is rapid drying and can be ready for most types of flooring installation in less than 3 hours. It is water-based, low odor, low VOC, and will not smoke as some epoxies do. Contains Bostik's blockade, antimicrobial protection, which inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold, or mildew on the surface of the cured membrane. Will reduce moisture vapor emission rates from up to 25 pounds per 1,000 foot squared for 24 hours to less than 3 pounds, or from 99% to 75% RH. It will block concrete alkalinity and can also be used to prep cracks and joints. It may be applied to green concrete, properly prepared concrete, wood-based subflooring, plywood, high-performance subflooring panels, OSB, radiant heat flooring, and cement-based terrazzo prior to the installation of self-leveling underlayments and floor patches, porcelain, marble, granite, or ceramic tiles, carpet, vinyl, VCT, and engineered or solid hardwood flooring. Recommended for CSP between 1 and 3. This translates into fewer materials and tools needed at the job site, as well as less labor and installation steps, which will result in significant time and cost savings. Its jet black appearance will help as visual indication of coverage and other trades traffic. This set of features makes Roll-Cote the best choice for moisture vapor protection. For more information on this and many other Bostik solutions, please visit our website or call your Bostik representative.